Hello, my name is Jana and I welcome you to my Villa Dzen Greenfield Villas. Let's go! This is the garden area, very beautiful here. And we're walking inside. I'll show you a very beautiful area here. This is a kitchen and living space. All of this design creates my friend designer, and we pick all of these items with these hands and with this energy. This has very good vibe in it. This is a kitchen area. Some beautiful things here around. This is my favorite living space area and resting, where you can easily sit here and enjoy, or you can take a cup of tea here, or you can lie down lazy here on the sofa. So beautiful place. Now I want to show you the first bedroom. The area where you can enjoy and keep some reading books. You also can chill in this beautiful bed. So big and wide for both. And just take a look at this beautiful, stunning Bali style toilet. Books has been selected personally by me, and a couple of them arrived straight from America. This place has such a good vibe right now. You can enjoy these beautiful books and get wise. Now we're going to my favorite space in this villa. Let's go. At the very quiet days, I love to enjoy the stunning view of the swimming pool and rice fields. This is my favorite bedroom. It's very comfy, very nice, and very wide. Come, I will show you my favorite spot in this villa. This is the bedroom. I always enjoy it. This is located on the second floor. You can enjoy this bed here with a stunning garden view outside. This is my favorite spot because here I can take care of my glowing skin and put the makeup on. And now it's a time to enjoy with some rays of the sun and beautiful swimming pool area. Let's go! You can see here very wide and crystal clear water in the swimming pool. Some lazy sofas over here where you can enjoy and take a sunbathing. And then you can enjoy the stunning beautiful rice fields view and take fresh coconut from the tree. This is my favorite spot to enjoy every morning and have sunbathing times, enjoy and listen to the sound of the birds.